Hey everybody, welcome back to Laser Perfect Recipe. It's a beautiful fall day out here. Just enjoying the fresh air. Look at that sun. But I'll be honest, I'm feeling lethargic, in a word, and that's because I haven't had my coffee. As I'm sure most of you know, this time of year, you can't beat the pumpkin spice latte. And that's exactly why I'm out here today, because in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a perfect, quick, and simple pumpkin spice latte using, that's right, homegrown pumpkin. So let's see if we can find one. Oh shoot, perfect. Well, now that we found a pumpkin out in the pumpkin patch, let's go see if we can make a latte. Start by cutting open your pumpkin just like you might with a jack-o'-lantern. I find that a big old serial killer knife works best. After removing the pumpkin's lid, pull out all the seeds and gunk and goop and stuff in there. I'm using surgical gloves here so I don't get my hands all icky. Make sure the inner crevice of the pumpkin is free from all debris. Once you've carved up your pumpkin and made sure it's all clean, the next step is to give it a face. The face of the pumpkin imparts a taste based on, what kind of emotion and attitude you give your face. I gave mine kind of a silly face, so I get a little bit of a silly taste. Now let's add all our ingredients, starting with 2 sticks of fresh cinnamon. Cinnamon is tree bark if you didn't know. After that, add 1 thing of nutmeg. Nutmeg is nut. Following that, some freshly ground coffee. Next, just go ahead and add some whole bean coffee as well. This adds some structure to our PSL. Finally, add an entire ½ gallon of milk. I'm using skim milk here because I'm watching my weight, but you can use whatever you like. If you've done everything correctly, the inside of your latte shouldn't look unlike a porta potty. With all that done, we can go ahead and pop it in the oven. The cooking time and temperature really vary depending on pumpkin size and weight. But as a rule of thumb, I set my baseline at 420 degrees for 1 hour and 9 minutes. Let's take a look at what we got. Oh, wow. That smells so good. I don't know if this is gonna come through. Look at that color. God. See, Starbucks can't make you this, I tell you what. Well, done cooking, so let's try it out. So, let's go ahead and grab our tap and our pouring tool. Let's get to work. Jesus Christ. Fuck. Screw on the other side. Oh, that smells so good. Look at that. If that doesn't look as good as Starbucks, you're lying. I love that. I love it, love it, love it. And don't forget, let's hit it with a little finishing touch, a little froth. There we go. Yummy. And that's really it. We got ourselves a homemade, amazing pumpkin spice latte, better than any Starbucks or any coffee shop could ever make. Let's give it a try. That's so good. You can really taste the milk. It's just how I like it. That's gonna wake me up. Anyway, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.